Ever dreamed of creating professional-looking photos without being a Photoshop wizard? Thanks to artificial intelligence, that dream is now a reality. Join us as we explore the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing the world of photo editing, making it easier and more fun than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, these tools will help you take your photos to the next level. Section 1. Removing unwanted objects. One of the most common tasks in photo editing is removing unwanted objects. AI-powered tools can now automatically detect and remove objects from your images with just a few clicks. Imagine removing a pesky power line or a distracting person from your perfect shot without any manual labor. Section 2. Enhancing photo quality. AI can enhance your photos in ways you never thought possible. From reducing noise and sharpening details to correcting color imbalances, these tools can make your photos look their absolute best. Say goodbye to grainy or blurry images and hello to crystal-clear, professional-looking photos. Section 3. Changing the background. Want to transport your subject to a different location? AI can help you change the background of your photos seamlessly. Whether you want to add a touch of magic or simply remove a cluttered background, these tools make it easy to create stunning compositions. Imagine turning a simple portrait into a breathtaking landscape. Section 4. Creating artistic effects. AI-powered tools can also be used to create unique and artistic effects. From transforming your photos into paintings to adding vintage filters, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity run wild and experiment with different styles. Section 5. Batch editing. Editing large batches of photos can be time-consuming and tedious. AI can automate many of these tasks, allowing you to edit multiple photos at once with consistent results. This saves you time and effort so you can focus on the creative aspects of photography. Conclusion. With the help of AI, anyone can create stunning photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, these tools can help you take your photography to new heights. So why not give them a try and see the difference they can make?